yma gyda fi nawr, mae prif fand Penwythnos Mawr ar gyfer dydd Sul, Pendulum. Hi guys.
Hello.
Whoa, talk about starstruck. Right, so you're headlining today. Are you excited?
Very excited, yeah. We've been looking forward to this one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what should all your fans have in mind? What are you up to?
What, for the new tracks of the show, generally?
For the show today?
Yeah, just save some energy.
Yeah.
And it's going to be an absolute, it's going to be carnage. And yeah, we're doing a lot of new tracks and some classic tracks as well. So it's great to be in Bangor and great to be involved with Radio1 again. So yeah, we're really looking forward to it.
Oh, what a lovely thing to say. Nawr, Peredur, wyt ti'n siarad Cymraeg wrth gwrs. Ti wedi bod ym Mangor o blaen, wyt?
Do, sawl gwaith.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, fi wedi bod o'n byw yng Nghymru ers achos.
The olden days.
Yeah, yeah.
So gweithio nawr, crowd y gogledd neu crowd y de o'r gorau?
Crowd y de, wrth gwrs.
Wrth gwrs.
Wel, hwntws i fi, dim gog. So, mae rhaid fi weid crowd y de o'r gorau.
Okay. Well, you're going to be headlining this evening. I am so excited about the whole thing. So tell me one thing now. Have you managed to see any famous people, any bands since you've been here?
I saw Rihanna briefly.
Oh yeah.
With her entourage.
Casually.
Yeah. Who else have we seen?
Wel, sy'n chwari.
Oh,
Llenor, yeah.
Oh, lovely.
So, mae hi'n enwog fan hyn, so.
Okay, well, we look forward to seeing you later on, headlining, of course, the one, the only Pendulum.